Alright, let's get everybody on YouTube. About to officially murder out the car. Right now, when we put on these side markers, these LED side markers, smoke them out. I have these smoked ones, and then at night, they're gonna be LEDs. Taking these off, boom. And then it's officially gonna be a murdered out black RT. I already got the back tail lights tinted, etc., etc. Enough talking. That was almost bad. But enough talking, gonna just get into it. Easy process. This is a little project we got for today for our charger. Yes, you and I. This is our baby. Okay, little twin. Slick, I didn't even need to jack this up. Move the back over here. Kind of just peel this back and take out the little junks here and there. I left that one. I wasn't gonna test out. When you go right here, this little guy right here, little 10 millimeter, you gotta get out to get the side marker out itself in the back. Because once you take that 10 millimeter out, it lets you take this part out. Then you have easier access. Right now, this might be a bad angle, but these two little dots right here, you need a little T. These little dots, you need T25 to get it. I was literally about to crash out. I couldn't find this bitch. This junk took me forever. My own, but I couldn't find my own. This is my dad, so shout out to my dad. But like, oh, I was gonna crash. So I was so ready. I was so ready to lose it. We done made it. Boom, just like that. Pop this junk out. Push the little clip down, and just yank this bitch out. And excuse my language, but got the new LED one. Attach this, and then we'll see how it looks. Also gotta make sure it's working. As you can see, it's on bright. Hella bright outside, but it's bright. You can see it. Plug that in there, then. Yeah. Bro, what's really annoying me is these goddamn flies, bro. Y'all have all this space. I'm talking about all the space in the world, and you want to fly near my head? Like, look at these bees, bro. Like, come on. Like, I get it, you trying to do your thing, but you have all the space in the world, but you want to fly next to my head? Before you put this on, you kind of have to like use the screws that were in the last one. Use those screws to make new grooves or define the grooves more, because this slick, there's like no tread line on the inside for real, so you just gotta screw this in, unscrew it, screw that in, unscrew it, and then put it in, screw it, and then yada yada yada. You'll be straight, and then it'll go in there seamless. That's what I had to do for all the other ones, and then boom. Yeah. Okay, now it's complete. As you can see, the RT is completely murdered out now. Murdered out. Dodge Charger RT. The overall outside is pretty much complete. Only thing missing is a wicker bill, for real, and that's it. That's right. I joined the Akatsuki. Completely blacked out. All LEDs. Let me turn on. Boom. Not one. Oh, wait a minute. Why is this not on now? Hold on, chill mo. Oh, the fronts don't turn on for some reason. I turned the key on. When I started, that's when I turned on. Warm. LED all the way. So now at night, the junk gonna look super sweet. But anyways, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe for more car updates. Our car, the RT Ski, baby Hemi. Yeah, man. Let me know what I should do next. I'm thinking probably either wicker bill or starlights, or maybe both. We'll see. I might have to start doing some overtime shifts at the hospital, so we'll see. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all next one.